Alright guys, so I found this Eagle Claw Bass Guide kit. So I'm gonna pick one of these up and see if this stuff actually catches fish. Alright, so we're out here at the lake. I got the little bass kit or whatever it is. So I'm gonna go through it real quick and then try to catch some fish on it. So, alright, so we got some bobber stops. We got some worms right here. There's some bass hooks, swivels, stringer, some ball head jigs, some little line cutters. They actually work pretty good. Some catfish weights, some bullet weights, a little grub or jig, and then some grubs, some leaders, a little rattle trap, beads, and some little bait holder hooks, and this little Eagle Claw Bass Guide thing. So I'm gonna try to at least catch 2 fish on these 2 lures, which these ones I think would work. These ones might not. I will try this little jig too, but yeah. So that's pretty much all the stuff in it, and let's get to fishing. I'm gonna rig up these rods right here and see if we can catch them. All right, so I got the bait caster rigged up with that little trap, and I got the open face rigged up with the little jig. So I'm gonna go out here and see if we can catch something. Hopefully on every single lure in there. So yeah. I'm gonna start out with the jig, probably because I feel like it'd be the easiest to knock off. And honestly, this might work. This might be a good lure, but I really just don't know. I've never fished Guntersville, so we still gotta figure these fish out. But that does not cast far at all. But we on it. That action, tangled? No, it's fine. There it is, right there. Hopefully we at least get something of this. But it don't matter what fish it is, as long as it's a fish, it'll work. Bluegill, grass, of course. Guntersville is a grassy area. Might go over to the point, but cast over here. So far, it's been nice down here. It is. This is a nice lake. We've caught a few fish. All I've caught today is bluegill. So I wouldn't be surprised if I caught another bluegill. But yeah. Maybe there's a fish there. We catch a crappie, dude. Putting that sucker on that stringer, boy. Bring this thing on the bottom. Oh, I have grass. I didn't even think of that. Of course, I got grass. If there's nobody over at that dock over there, I don't know if you can see it over there. I might go to it and see if I can catch it with this jig, because there's bluegill everywhere over there. That's where we've been catching them all the whole time. No, there's someone on there. I'm not gonna do that. fish. I'm gonna go try this spot over here. This corner. Oh shoot. There's gotta be something on this tree. If there ain't, I'm gonna be super surprised. Cast over here. Don't think this lure is gonna catch them like I thought it would. When some people leave that dock, I'll go over there and try it with us. Well, that was just terrible. I think there's a bone. No, that's a ground. I'm gonna go try the little, what you would call it, trap. See if I can get anything on it. Alright, so got the other rod. See if I can do anything with it. I honestly doubt it because it's so hot. But we'll give it a shot. Golly. If I don't catch anything on these today, I'll probably, when we go on the boat tomorrow, I'll bring them, see if we can do anything with it. I don't normally fish rattle traps, so this is different. And I don't even fish like gunners also. Oh, that's a long dead gullet. Oh, it's fine. I'll just get it out. Hopefully, if I don't get bit by a snake. Whoa. Got it. Don't get hung on this tree. Get off of there. And boom, 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 boom. There we go. Get back over here. think it'd be better to fish on the boat with these, because I don't know about right here. That dock is the best place we've had bank fishing. So I might go over there in a minute. Dang grass, dude, I swear. Shoot. Got it. Okay. Okay, good. Alright, I'm gonna go fish this point and I'll catch you guys when we get over there.